Potatoes are a staple in many households worldwide. Whether mashed, fried, or boiled, their versatility is hard to match. Yet, in the hustle to whip up your favorite dishes, you may have been routinely discarding a treasure, potato peels. Before you toss them into the trash next time, consider the numerous benefits and uses of these overlooked gems. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Contrary to common belief, a significant portion of a potato's nutrients is concentrated in its skin. Potato peels are rich in potassium, magnesium, and iron. They're also a great source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. By including the skin in your dishes, you're tapping into these valuable nutrients. 2. Homemade chips. Why buy store-bought chips when you can make a healthier version at home? Toss the peels in a little olive oil, season with salt, pepper, or your choice of herbs, and bake until crispy. Voila! A crunchy, nutritious snack is ready. 3. Gardening boost. Potato peels can enrich your garden soil. As they decompose, they release essential nutrients that plants crave. You can either compost them or bury the peels directly in garden beds. They can also serve as a deterrent for pests. 4. Skincare. Believe it or not, rubbing the inside of a potato peel on your face can help reduce pimples, lighten dark spots, and brighten your complexion. The starch in the potato acts as an anti-inflammatory, while its mild bleaching properties tackle hyperpigmentation. 5. Eco-friendly cleaning scrub. Those slightly abrasive potato peels can serve as an excellent alternative to synthetic cleaning pads. Use them to scrub pots, pans, and dishes, especially when dealing with tough, burnt residues. Not only are they effective, but they also reduce the need for harsh chemicals. 6. Natural dye. Potato peels can impart a beautiful earthy brown color, making them perfect for natural dyeing. Whether you're interested in giving fabrics a rustic touch or exploring homemade ink, the tannins in the peels offer a robust dye. 7. Broth addition. Add potato peels to your vegetable or chicken broths for an extra layer of flavor and nutrients. Ensure they're clean and remember to strain them out before using the broth in your recipes. 8. Hair treatment. Rinsing your hair with water infused with potato peels can add shine and potentially help with gray coverage. The nutrients from the peels help nourish hair follicles, giving your mane a healthy sheen. 9. Potato water for plants. After boiling potatoes with the skin, don't toss the water. Once cooled, this nutrient-rich water can serve as a supplement for your plants. They'll thank you with vibrant growth. 10. Fire starter. Dried potato peels can catch fire easily. If you're planning a camping trip or have a fireplace at home, consider using potato peels as an organic fire starter. In conclusion, potato peels have much more to offer than meets the eye. By finding innovative ways to repurpose them, not only are you maximizing the value of your potatoes, but you're also taking steps towards a more sustainable and eco-friendlier lifestyle. So next time you're peeling potatoes, think twice before discarding those peels. They just might become your new favorite resource.